Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Patsy Unipi et bienvenue sur ma chaîne pour une autre vidéo. For those of you who are new here, bienvenue fashionista. Here we speak about all things black fashion, lifestyle, travel et je parle un peu de français. If you haven't already, give your girl a thumbs up, like, share and bien sûr subscribe. Aujourd'hui video is not your typical video of me doing fashion and styling, but this is about home decor styling. And the good people over at LUXEAR sent me over this nice pantry wall hanger, which I'm going to share with you. I haven't opened it as yet, so I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys and we're going to put it together and see what it looks like. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, get your wine, get your coffee, or like me, it's Saturday morning, so I have my banana oatmeal with chia seeds smoothie for my breakfast, and allons-y. So this is the over-the-door 6-tier pantry organizer, and you'll see how beautiful it's boxed. Just gonna come a little closer so you can see the name, and this is what it is going to look like when we are finished unboxing it. Sorry, I am on the floor, one, because I have to unbox this with you guys and share it with you, and secondly, I am dressed at the moment for my exercise lesson with Glory B. She's another YouTuber. She's from the island of Barbados, so a Caribbean girl like me, and she has these virtual workout classes. I'm gonna put the link in the bottom in the description box in case you guys are interested in joining. This is my 3rd week doing it, and it is intense and very, very good. So let's start the unboxing. What it looks like. Okay. Padding. It comes with some 3M adhesive. I guess these are for the legs to keep it flat at the bottom. And what do we have here? Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut this out. Okay, so we have the door hanger here. This piece is to hang over the door, and it already has the adhesive on it, so that's that. And here we have the whole body. Oh, this is easy. And you know, we're now in spring and we're all doing spring cleaning and getting our studios, our home ready and putting all the winter things away and getting some fresh space, and I think this is perfectly ideal for that. Or for me, I think I'm going to use it in the bathroom, but it is really for the pantry. I don't have a door in my kitchen, so I'm going to use it in my bathroom and make it extra space because I have a small space, and I think these will be perfect for providing extra space for me. So these are what the baskets look like, and it comes with 6 baskets and the instruction manual how to put it together. So come with me and let's put this together and get it all prepared and put in all of my beautiful things in the bathroom in one place that I can easily reach them without having to worry. Okay, so first thing is we are going to put the top here. So let's do that. Okay. Over the door, make sure it's secure. I want it in the center, so I will show you guys, but my tissue holder is on the back of my door, so it cannot come down all the way to 6 levels, so we're going to do 4 baskets. Okay, and we have basket number 1. Okay. Let's go with it here. Basket number 1. Basket number 2. Basket number 3. Okay, I think I will just do 3 baskets. You guys can see that because I'm short. No need to have anything too high or too low, and I think it is perfect right there. See? Absolutely perfect. Perfect caddy for your bathroom. I can stand here in front of the mirror and do all of my makeup, my skincare, find a good place for my medicine. Everything is in one perfect place, so I don't have to be worried about finding baskets and everything. So perfect for small spaces. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you LUXEAR for sending me over this beautiful gift. LUXEAR is a company that provides all sorts of different types of home decor pieces to make your life easier and more comfortable. You'll see in the cutaway that they have blankets to keep you cool in the night on hot summer nights, or to keep you warm in the winter, as well as different little caddies for the bathroom, for the kitchen. This one is an actual kitchen piece, but because I don't have a door in my kitchen that I can hang it over, I am hanging it in my bathroom. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video very interesting. I'm gonna put the links for LUXEAR down in the comment section, and you guys can go and find something interesting for your home. I don't have a discount code from them as yet, but if I do get one, I will share it with you in the next video. So until next time, have a wonderful week everybody. À tout à l'heure. Au revoir. À la prochaine vidéo.